Hey everyone, we are out here at this beautiful property close to the mountains. I'm gonna flip it around. Fresh on the market. 292, four bedroom, 2-story, 3 bath, 2-car garage. Anyway, my client's on the way. This is the property outside of the property, and it does need work. So this one right now is bank owned. It's cash only, but he has a 203K loan. Basically what that means is it's a renovation loan. So to the bank, it's basically they get paid and the buyer has to do whatever they have to do to get this property in living, working condition. It's old, it smells, it's dated. Whew. It smells foul like a motherfucker. It smells like dogs, cats, multi-level. Honestly, it's kind of creepy house, but we'll check it out either way. I gotta open this one up. So as you can tell, this property needs a lot of work. It looks like it's been abandoned. So this is what they're gonna come check out. The 203K loan, just so you know, it is a renovation loan. You can purchase it. However, you would have to qualify for it just like a regular loan. This one's 292. You would have to have a maximum of $30,000 extra in repairs. You, the buyer, cannot do the repairs. The repairs have to be done by a qualified general contractor. And I believe you have about a year to do it. So this is a big property. Smells foul as shit. This is the balcony closet. Oh, it's dirty. This one actually had 292 in Northeast Heights, Albuquerque. This condition, it's actually underpriced. It's a little bit lower than what it should be. So if you guys are interested, you have until Wednesday, April 24th, 5 p.m. to submit your offer. That is when offers will be reviewed on this property. So we'll find out if my client wants to submit it and if they like it.